Hey guys, and welcome back to my channel. So today we're gonna try out this Ryobi Lawn Mower for the first time. We're gonna review it, we're gonna unbox it, all that good stuff. So let's try it out. Also, if you like this lawnmower and want to buy it, there's a link in the description box below and in the comment section. Let's go. Alright, let's open this box. Let's see what the heck is inside.
Ice cream?
Ice cream. Wow, check this out. Look at that. So this is from the inside. Here's the bag. I broke it. Comes with a charger. So, yep. Very importantly, it comes with also a battery. So as we unpack it, let's start charging it. Actually, let's check how much there is in here. Yep, just one. Let's charge this. Cool, it's charging up. All right, let's get the rest out. So crazy, I've never had a lawnmower before. I've actually never had a lawn. It's like a little race car, huh? And it comes with the manual, operator manual, and yeah, just all this stuff, right? And some knobs.
It looks like a little car.
Right? Yeah, it does look like a little race car, huh? It's funny. So here's this. I don't know what to do next.
Open up the manual.
Oh, yeah. Oops, broke it again. Okay, so there's some knobs.
I would help, but I'm helping in a different way, so.
Okay, so what you're gonna do first is actually attach this first. Just like that. And then this knob goes next, I think. Okay, and you're gonna do the same thing to the other side. Put the knob in. This is cool.
It's like IKEA.
Right? There you go.
The manly stroller. The one and only Ryobi.
Now we're gonna put this bag in.
Ta-da!
So yeah, make sure to put the metal thing inside first and then start attaching the little edges to it. Now it's ready to be plugged in. Lift this up. What you're going to do, you're gonna attach these hooks right here. Just like that. Boom. This lever is going to be the height of the blade. So this is at its lowest point, and so they have different levels here. So these are the levels that you get. 1.5 inches up to 4 inches. You're going to open this part here. Be careful because it retracts. You're going to put the battery in here. And this is the start key. So if you take this off, it will not turn on. If you put that in, that means you're ready to go. To start it, you're going to press this button and pull the lever up. And if you can see it, to stop it, you just let go. All right guys, so we're finally gonna try out this lawnmower, right? So let's put on the battery. This battery is gonna last about 30 minutes, so make sure to get a backup battery because you're gonna need it. I don't need it because the lawn is very small, right? So, before you start it, make sure that you have the key inside, which is this red one, and the battery. Yeah, and careful with that lid because it just slams. Okay, so once again, we're gonna talk about the levels. Right now it's at its highest level, and if you keep moving it, there's different sections, and it's just gonna keep getting lower and lower. I would recommend that you start maybe around here just to cut the grass the first time, and then maybe go to the lowest level, and it should look nice. So obviously you guys already saw how the lawn looks like right now. We're gonna try this out and see the before and after. Okay, so as you can see the grass, right? See how I haven't started it, by the way, that's why it's not working. But look at that. You can see how high the grass is. So that's my suggestion. I'm gonna put it around here just so we can cut. So let's try this puppy out. Also, make sure safety's the first thing. Give me 1 second. All right, so make sure you wear safety glasses. Safety glasses are a big thing. My camera person also needs a. You gotta protect the girlfriend. So how you're gonna start it is how we talked about it earlier, is press this button and press back one of the levers or both of them at the same time and just keep pushing it. So I was here at this level. This is the lowest point, so we're gonna go one up. We're gonna give it a try, see what it looks like, but see, it is cutting it very nicely. So let's go at this level and then we'll go down lower. Okay, so I did a really rookie mistake. The machine stopped working because I didn't take out the mulch plug. It's actually inside here, this little door, and this is the handle, the mulch plug, which I didn't take out, and that is why it's actually empty in here. If you can see, it's very clean after I mowed the grass, and this was the result. So yeah, that's the mistake that I did. That's the door that I just took out, so all the excess is supposed to go that way, but since it wasn't, it was just accumulating here, which made the machine stop. But now it should work perfectly, as it did. Also, this is the mistake, right? I'm cutting the grass, but I'm putting the grass back on it. It's like when you get a haircut, you don't want your hair back. That's a big time rookie mistake, and I'm the rookie. Boom! That's how the grass is supposed to look like in there. All the mulch. That's what it is right there. Which makes sense. Now I'm becoming a gardener. Alright guys, so that's the end of this video. I hope you really liked this review. If you would like to purchase one, the link will be in the comments down below and in the description box below. Thank you guys so much for watching, and I'll see you guys soon. Also, if you need somebody to mow your lawn, let me know. Just kidding, don't let me know.